Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is what will happen, what good news or what miracle will happen for you on the coming new moon. Yes, friends, a new moon is coming on the 12th, and well, it is a timeless reading, friends, but you can watch it anytime. But let's see, anytime you watch it, what miracle is coming for you. We're gonna see that. And friends, make sure to subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, subscribe, like, share, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends. Also, this is a general reading, may or may not resonate. Also, friends, you can also watch the crush reading I have done and the other April horoscopes and other horoscope readings. You can catch that out. Yes, so let us see what's happening for you. What's the theme for the next few days? What's the theme for you? What is this new moon's theme for you? What's bringing, what's gonna be important for you for the next few days. And since it's timeless, you can watch it. But what's happening astrologically, I'll just give you a little hint. We are heading towards a new moon in Aries. The sun is also in Aries. Happy birthday, Aries. So lots of positive energies, lots of big energies, lots of big shifts, and it will be important for sun signs which are in Cancer, Scorpio, Cancer, Pisces, Taurus, and fire signs. Of course, they are gonna find it very intense and a very positive time. So justice, see, there we go, the Queen of Pentacles. So this is about this is gonna bring justice and balance back into your life. And the theme will be on destiny, the theme will be on completion of your past life or past issues. The thing is, like, the theme for the next few days for you will be balance, justice, resolution of past issues, karmic situations. If you are waiting for money, you will find money coming your way. If you are waiting for some sort of a justice, it will happen your way, friends. So yes, I do see that in the next few days you will be valuing yourself, you will be putting yourself first, which is wonderful, wonderful. And you will also feel very bold, especially earth signs and air signs. You will feel very bold, very connected to your work, to your career, to your your self-worth. You will feel more confident. Others, I feel, this is about any loss you had in the past, you're gonna recover from it. So it's a very powerful energy. That's why I usually don't do this reading like this. I usually do it in a bigger card form, but I was really, really guided to do this reading. So make sure to subscribe, like, and let me know if you enjoyed it. So, definitely some past issue which was not resolved, or hurt or pain, some karmic issues which were hurting you. If life was out of balance, you will find life turning more into balance in your favor. A victory is coming, past life resolutions, past karmic issues resolving, past life issues resolving, and you coming to a victory. So congratulations. Let's see what else. The sun, see, the Page of Pentacles, the sun. So definitely this is, the sun in Aries. Definitely the sun is shining for you, friends. Absolutely. The next few days, you're gonna feel more positive, you're gonna feel more ambitious, and you will want to try to spice up your life, try to take some risk in your life, because your ambitions are very high next few days. So yes, wonderful. And Page of Pentacles, I do see that the theme is actually you upgrading, you getting a raise, you getting a promotion, you getting more fearless, you getting more powerful, you understanding why something ended in the past. So you are becoming from page to this queen or this king. So wonderful energies. And definitely twin flame energies are here. You are attracting very solid relationships this new moon. And your relationships, any relationship, it is going to feel more positive. You are looking for positivity, looking for long-term success. So your relationships are highlighted, but the focus is more on self-worth, money, and your future. You're very, very focused about your future. So let's see how this new moon will affect our viewers. Let's see that. The High Priestess, yes, you will have a lot of signs, your intuition will be bang on. So listen to the divine signs, divine messages, and you're gonna be very, very connected to people around you telepathically, especially to an ex or to a twin flame or to a lover, even to a crush. You will feel very, very connected to them. So this is also a very intuitive and creative time for you. So get ready, friends. A good time for learning also. If you are learning anything, you're gonna it will be well, it will go well for you. Exams will go well. You should listen to your intuition. Yes, and Four of Swords. Yes, I do feel something you're waiting for that will also happen after this new moon. It's on 12th, but it will happen, within the next 15 days or something. You're waiting for something, it will manifest for you. It will happen. It will start rolling for you. Five of Cups. Yes, someone from the past is also missing you. Some friend is missing you, or some ex-lover, or someone who left you, blocked you, they are missing. It's a long distance connection, they want to be back. So the Sun, twin flame relationship, important connection, soulmate. This is a very destined connection, because something from the past is over in this connection and a new start is coming. I feel this person is missing you. Temperance, yeah, they want to bring this connection into balance again. If they are not talking to you, they want to talk, share, be with you. So there is a lot of positivity coming and balance, but I think you are more focused on your self, your future, and healing yourself, recovering yourself. If you are feeling like you are missing out on life, or you don't have the job, or you're single, so you are like, what am I gonna do? I'm single. No, don't lose hope. There is still hope, and that this is this new moon about it. There is still hope. Hope is still there. Justice will happen, victory will happen. What you're waiting for will happen for you. So let's see what else, how this new moon will affect our viewers. Oh, Seven of Cups. Choices, yeah, you feel restricted, you feel you have no choices. Choices are coming. And look at that, the Judgment. Oh my god. Big energies, friends, big energies. I do feel you have a lot of family pressure on you, or like people are pressurizing you, or they are putting some pressure, or you feel like people are not understanding you right now. But it is also teaching you at the same time to value yourself. So don't worry, if you are keeping yourself first, maybe you are studying and everybody wants to watch a cricket match and you're like, no, I want to study. So yeah, go for it, friends, go for it, go for your studies. Don't watch the match or a movie. It's okay if you watch our channel, of course. All right, that was a nice joke. Oh, so I do feel, friends, some of you are going to get some money which was denied to you in the past. So you are going to achieve that money, that victory, especially at your work and career, or even a legal victory. Yes, I do see that some of you, someone from the past is also coming back. They are thinking about you, they want you back. So they are definitely confused how to approach you, but they are thinking about you. What will happen in their love life with this new moon? Thank you. The Tower. See, someone is gonna come back, and Two of Wands. So yeah, some unexpected things may happen. We'll just clarify it. I do feel someone, something from the past, or someone from the past may return back. I don't know if you will like it or not, but it might make you angry. I told you, you are very ambitious, so just keep your patience. Two of Wands. Yeah, this is about seeing things from a balanced point of view, and keeping your patience, also being mature. What is the Tower about? What will happen? Ooh, someone is obsessed about you, friends. This person doesn't want you to go, and they doesn't want to change also. So that is the issue here. It could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person, or a Libra, Gemini person, I feel. So they are obsessed about you. They can't let you go, and also they are a bit resistant. I do feel this person is trying to change themselves to be a mature person. I don't know if you will notice that or not. Maybe you will just be upset, like, why are you calling me now after all this time? Why now? So yes, and also I see you'll be a lot into your, focused on your work. So any distractions won't make you happy. Definitely, any distraction will be like, why? Seven of Swords. You don't trust this person. They give you like worry, they give you anxiety because you know you can't trust them. Ace of Rods, they want a new start with you. Absolutely. They will be coming back, trying to message you, trying to win you. Maybe they will ask their friends or through social media some indirect messaging to get you the idea that they want you back. But a fresh start is coming for some of you. For some of you, this is a new person coming in with the new moon. You may meet this person in 1 month or 15 days from now. This is a very passionate connection, but you will have a trouble trusting this person or finding them. Like you will feel like they are, oh, so charming. They are like this sugar mama, sugar daddy. So you'll be like, can I trust them? Can I? So that's how it will be. So lots of good things happening, you finding your excitement back, but also you're very passionate, ambitious. So you're gonna feel you will want things quickly, you know. So yeah, the cross number 36, something about, is very, very fated, you know, friends. Something is fated for you and it will happen for you. If there is weight involved, don't worry, you will have the ultimate victory also. So don't worry, if there is weight, don't worry. What will happen with the new moon for our viewers? Okay, lilies, spiritual love. I also feel you might be missing some family members who have passed away, or the, you know, pets you have. I also feel your spirit guides will be connecting with you. You know, the high priestess is here, so people from the other, you know, how do I say this, from the you know, spiritual love, you know, your ancestors, your guides, they are with you, watching you. I do feel this is a spiritual connection also coming for you. Number 30, 36 are important. Also, you will be focusing more on spirituality with this new moon. The man, yeah, someone is eyeing you. Number 28. This person could be born on 28, or they have, their age is that. Someone is eyeing you and they want to, you know, make a move towards you. Yeah. Look at that whip in reverse. Oh god, 1111, the twin flame card. But yeah, I think some sort of a karma is keeping you both away, or some sort of a fear is keeping this person stuck. Like, you know, if they come back, maybe they broke your heart or broke your trust, so they might get a beating. You might beat them, literally speaking, not like you will really, but they are scared of you in some way. The snake transformation, big changes coming for you there from now. And what was the other card? There was something else that wanted to come out, isn't it? Isn't it? Oh my god. The lady and the man. Look at that. Now also you don't want to believe that a connection is coming for you, and it's a very spiritual connection. You guys are destined, or you guys are fated. And even if you don't meet them physically, you will be meeting in spiritually, you know, in your dreams, through signs, through messages. Get ready, get ready. Transformations, big changes are coming for you, friends. And a bouquet. So someone is going to present you flowers. Someone is also going to get an award or compliment from somebody, you know, maybe from work, or a new lover is coming. So woohoo, nice. I like that. What else will happen? What else will happen with the new moon for our viewers? What miracle is coming? It's destiny, it's fate, it's a victory, it's a destined victory. It is what you're waiting for happening for you. Message in a bottle. Yeah, whatever you're waiting for, it's gonna happen, and it's gonna happen soon. If you know, the energies have already started, so next 15 days you will see that, or maybe a 1 month you will see this change between the worlds. Yeah, you are definitely on a periphery of change, friends. You are definitely, you know, you're moving from troubled times to peace, happiness, and new friendships also. I see new friendships coming your way. Some of you could be traveling in the coming months, or planning. You are like making that planning. Unfinished symphony, definitely someone is coming back. I also feel you may meet a new person which you share a very strong past life connection with. So it could be a new person coming for you, but they have some unfinished karma with you, or some unfinished work to do, like, you know, work colleague, a friend, or maybe a lover. And music is important for you. Music is very important. Higher power. Yes, this is fated. Whatever is going to happen from now to the next 1 month, everything is fated. And I also feel some of you could be going through health issues. That will also recover, that will also recover. So don't worry. So let's see what else. What our viewers need to keep in mind during this full moon, new moon. Interesting, I said full moon. Yeah, somebody mentioned full moon yesterday or something, maybe a day back. No, it's not full moon, it's a new moon. Purity, yeah, let go of the past and renew yourself, friends. Think, see life in a new way. Let the past burdens and troubles go away and get ready for a new start, because this is a new moon. So, new start, new beginning. Thriving, yes, you are on the path to success. Things will be getting better for you from now. And leave the past baggage, the baggage you are carrying. Leave that baggage. Happiness, yes, happiness is coming for you. You also need to stay a bit playful. Don't be too hard on yourself. I do feel you're over ambitious, over passionate. You might be like, I want to work all the time, so don't do that. Enjoy life. You are very blessed, you are very supported, so count your blessings. And don't be all work and no play. Also work but also play. Forgiveness, yeah, you need to forgive somebody from the past, or yourself, or something from the past. You need to forgive that thing, so you can move forward and your life can improve. So let's see some advice for you now, shall we? All right, some advice for our viewers for this new moon. And yes, the charms readings are coming, friends. I'll be doing that, don't worry. The charms reading will be coming shortly. The end of a tough cycle approaches for you. The full moon in Capricorn. See, so something is ending for you, friends, and this is like a past karmic situation, a karmic, past 10 years of troubles ending, finally coming to an end, and you reaching like, oh God, the burdens are off now. Finally, I can, enjoy my life in peace. Adjustment are required, yeah. I do feel you need to do a certain things, to get this new cycle going and, kick-starting. Firstly, forgive yourself. Firstly, forgive others. Also tough thing, but yeah, you have to start somewhere. And also don't carry any baggage, let it be. The past has its own blessings. The past has its own gifts also, right? Confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo. Wow, we have a new moon in Aries, and this is a new moon in Leo. So yes, be confident. Believe in yourself. I told you, you will be very confident. So congratulations. And show the world the real you. Full moon in Aquarius. So definitely I feel you are definitely going to come out of hiding and start socializing or start meeting the people or anything, like being more positive. That's what I feel. You will start feeling more confident and more positive that yes, life is working for you, not against you. Let's see some romance angels messages, because a lot of love messages came. So let's take some love messages. Ooh, separation. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. So some of you are definitely separated from your person right now, or they have moved away from you. They are married, or they are just in no contact or separation with you. Clarify the separation card. Okay, thank you. Oh my God. A reconciliation. Someone from the past is returning back, and I didn't optionally picked it. It flew out, friends. Oh my God. So someone is coming, friends. Someone is coming from your past. I do feel it could be someone new coming also, but you have a strong past life connection with that person. So new romance or a reunion is coming for you. Anything else for our viewers, friends? Lovely. I had fun doing this reading. Ooh, deception. Someone is hiding behind a false mask in this relationship. And I think it is you, friends. Show the world the real you. Are you telling somebody you don't love them? Or is somebody telling you, nah, we don't love you? Nah. Don't do that, friends. There is strong love here. So, yeah. Maybe you don't know this person yet. That's why. What is the deception about? Chemistry. There is a strong magnetic attraction. So, don't doubt. If you are doubting a connection, don't do that, because chemistry's hearts don't lie. isn't it? So that's it for now, friends. Subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram to buy a personal reading. Visit our website. This is Mystic C saying bye bye for now.